Hello everyone, let us look at the instructions we used in these programs. There are basically three types of instructions in C. Type declaration instruction, arithmetic instruction, control instruction. The purpose of each of these instructions we will discuss one by one. First is type declaration instruction. A type declaration tells the compiler what the variable's name is, what type of data it will store, and how much memory should be allocated. Type declaration. Used to declare the type of variable being used in the program. Any variable used in the program must be declared before using it in any statement. The type declaration statement is written at the beginning of the main function. As an example, int ba, float rs, char name, code, etc. Here, ba stores an integer value, rs stores a float value, and name stores a character value. Another option is a declaration with initialization, where the variable type can also be specified, as shown below, int I equals 10, etc., and the table shows the values of these variables, which are stored in it. The next point is the order of declaration. The order in which we define a variable is sometimes important, and sometimes it is not. The order of the variables does not matter when the variables are independent. As shown below, the I or j location can be interchangeable because they do not depend on each other, but in other examples, the order of variables matters because they are dependents. Therefore, the first one is correct and the second is incorrect. Here you can see another example. First the variables a, b, c, d are declared, and then value assigned as shown below. But the second approach is incorrect. You are assigning the value 10 to a, b, c, and d, but b, c, and d are not yet declared. Therefore, using variables before defining them is not allowed. The key rule is as shown in the diagram below: declaration, initialization, and use in the program. Do not use a variable before its declaration. Another option if you want to assign multiple variables the same value at once. See the diagram, it is correct. All variables are assigned the same value. If you do not assign a value to the variable, the computer assigns a random value, called a garbage value. You can see the quick summary in the table that we discussed in these slides. First declare, then initialize. It can be done during declarations as well. The variable can be used in an expression only after it is defined, and the order only matters when one variable depends on another. Multiple assignments are allowed after declaration. Never use a variable before declaring it. As shown in the diagram below, the correct flow is given. Arithmetic instruction will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching.